The Shaheen shone tonight on the biggest of stages. The West End Park International Cricket Stadium was treated to a Maas Sadakat special. With the ball, with the bat. It was an all-round performance that deserves the credit that he's getting from his teammates. Not only him, ably supported by that bowling department that restricted India A to a mere 136 and making it the first team that got all out in this tournament. There was everything in this match. Thrills, spills, a lot of entertainment, some controversial moments, but eventually it is the Shaheens that have ended up pipping India A quite comfortably in 13.2 overs and winning by 8 wickets. What a wonderful atmosphere. What a wonderful encounter. Let's head to Parvez Maharouf for the post-match presentation in a match that had everything in store.
Indeed, Atish, what a game we had. Game number 6 of the tournament. We saw the best game so far. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to the post-match presentation of the DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars 2025 for the match against India A versus Pakistan Shaheens. The Asian Cricket Council would like to extend its gratitude to our broadcast partner, Sony Sports Network, and to all our sponsors, DP World, Hero Motocorp, Air India Express, Indian Oil, Freemans, and Kendaro. A special thank you to all government bodies, local authorities, volunteers, and everyone who contributed to the smooth conduct of today's game. Right, it's my duty to please welcome the presentation party, Mr. Khalid Al Suwaidi, CEO and Assistant Tournament Director of Qatar Cricket Association, who will present the Player of the Match award. Thank you for being here, sir. Right, no doubt here the Player of the Match is definitely going to be Maas Sadakat for his 79 not out of 47 deliveries, 7 fours, 4 sixers, and he's bowling 3 overs, 1 maiden, 12 runs, and 2 wickets. Maas will have a chat to me and will be joined by Arfat Minnas to interpret. Maas, that was a superb performance. You must be a very happy man.
सबसे पहले तो मैं अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करता हूँ हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ कि पाकिस्तान के लिए मैच जीता है और अच्छी से अच्छा परफॉर्म किया.
And looking at how you played, especially with the bat and also with the ball, you had something going on today. What's the secret behind it?
जी बिल्कुल इसके पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत है, हार्ड वर्क है, उसी वजह से उसका रिजल्ट मुझे मिल रहा है.
And what about the pitch?
पिच थोड़ा सा मुश्किल था, बॉल नीचे भी रह रहा था और थोड़ा सा स्पिन भी हो रहा था, तो इसी वजह से लेकिन हमने इस पर मेहनत किया, इतना मेहनत किया कि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उस कुछ वो नहीं हो रहा था.
Yeah, he's just saying that he wants to thank Almighty Allah, and he believed in his hard work, the work he has done in the past. And about the pitch, he's saying that the pitch was a bit low and on the slow side. So he said that I just kept my nerves strong and I just tried to play according to the conditions.
His thoughts about the DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars, how important in his career so far?
इस टूर्नामेंट में कितनी इम्पोर्टेंस है?
जी बिल्कुल इम्पोर्टेंट तो हर मैच है, आपको हर मैच जीतना पड़ेगा और इसी वजह से हम सब लोग इसी वजह से यही प्लान किया है कि जो मैच जीते उससे भूल जाते हैं और अगले मैच के लिए उसी तरह जाए.
He's just saying every match is important and we have to win every game, and when we win any game we just left behind and we just move on to the next game.
I tell you what, we enjoyed watching you play. All the very best and keep going. Thank you. Right, it's my duty to invite Jitesh Sharma for a quick chat. Jitesh, bad luck today. Not the way you wanted things to go. At the 9.3 overs in Vaibhav got out, you were things in control, but after that it was a landslide.
I think it happens in T20. I don't blame anyone. I think it's all about how you soak the pressure. But it's nice they have experience now in the league phase, so they can use this experience in the coming semi-final and final. Yeah.
What sort of a score did you all have beginning of the innings in mind?
Seeing to my team, it's very difficult to judge what is the score because how Vaibhav and Arya goes, they set the tone, but they have set the tone. As a middle order batsman, it's our responsibility how we finish. I think it was just a bad day, I don't mind about it. But my boys have shown lots of character on the field, the way they were putting their bodies and they were bowling to take the wickets. That's a good sign for team.
That was clearly evident. It's a mix of some bad shots as well as some good bowling and clearly some good feeling as well.
Yeah.
Do you believe?
Yeah, I think they played really good cricket. I won't mind to say that. I think we just lack little bit of soaking the pressure, but I don't mind. I think they are just like 22, 23. They are learning this phase is their learning phase. So yeah, it's a good game. I don't mind anything. I think it's just a learning phase. I think they will use this experience in coming games.
Well fought, bad luck, and good luck for the next game.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right, Jitesh Sharma is a captain from India. And now I'd like to invite Irfan Khan, the Shaheen's captain, to have a quick chat. Irfan, smile says it all. Very well done. Almost a perfect game.
Thank you.
And you think after the wicket of Vaibhav Suryavanshi, that was the game plan. And did you have anything when it comes to the middle order batters to attack with them spinners?
No, it was a simple plan. We got some variations, and we are going with the spinners because we have a strength. We have good leg spinners, we have good Chinamen. They done very well.
You must be really happy with the fast bowling effort as well, especially Ubaid with the new ball.
Yeah, definitely. Ubaid bowled very well. Even Shahid Aziz bowled very well. Even all the bowlers are done job fantastically.
What about Mas Sadakat, all-rounder? How important plays for you in the side?
Mas Sadakat is a key player because he is a very good top-order batsman with the handy spinner and with very good field.
And personally, how happy are you with the entire squad performing? Almost everyone being up their game.
Yeah, definitely. When you win 2 games, you will be happy. But we will be more happy when you win the cup.
Right, Irfan, we enjoyed you playing. Very well done. All the best for the next game.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Right, that's it from the post-match presentation. Shaheen's winning this game.
Thanks, Parvez. What a statement right in the end. You'll only be happy when you win the cup, is what Irfan Khan Niazi has said. He's laid down that marker. But the action continues tomorrow as well in the DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars 2025 with Group A clashes. Sri Lanka A will take on Hong Kong, China at 12:30 p.m. local time, and then at 5:30 p.m. local time, it's the big clash between Bangladesh A and Afghanistan A. You don't want to miss that. That's it for today. Goodbye for now.